Okay, we are trying yet another new soda. I got a case of this. I revealed it in an unboxing, and this is something that's looks quite unique. It's called Swamp Pop. Satsuma Fizz. Say that. Satsuma Fizz. Satsuma Fizz. Satsuma Fizz. Satsuma Fizz. Swamp Pop. Swamp Pop. Satsuma Frizz. Satsuma Frizz. Satsuma Frizz. Swamp Pop. Swamp Pop. Yes, this is Swamp Pop, a premium sugar cane soda. Here we go. If you find yourself in Louisiana's Livingston Parish, okay. If you find yourself on the Louisiana Livingston Parish, head south to Cane Market Road, and you'll find yourself right into the Satsuma, Louisiana, a town named after the plump, sweet Satsuma, a favorite snack in southern Louisiana. Devoted fans and those fortunate enough to have Satsuma trees in their yards wait all year long to snap off the branch and taste the sweet aromatic fruit from the swamp. Swamp Pop Satsuma Fizz captures the experience of the popular Louisiana citrus fruit and can be enjoyed all year round in Swamp Pop. Their voice is hard on the throat. Bottled in Lafayette, Louisiana. That's the home of the Louisiana Raging Cajuns, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see how this tastes. Bam. That's a fine quality soda. I'm going to give this a 7.9.